Hello and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. British auto and aircraft parts supplier Senior reported a significant rise in half-yearly profit, doubling to £17.6 million, $22.62 million, with a 20% increase in revenue. The growth is attributed to a recovery in its flexonics business, which manufactures components for vehicles and power applications, and strong demand from plane makers like Boeing and Airbus. Senior's CEO David Squires expressed optimism for sustained growth in aerospace and revealed that the company is fully booked for the second half of the year in some parts of the business. Despite the positive outlook, shares were down 2.8%, possibly due to lingering concerns over supply chain issues. The report highlights a positive trend in Senior's business, reflecting the broader recovery in the aerospace industry and the booming demand for air travel. Walmart Inc. has recently paid $1.4 billion to acquire Tiger Global's stake in Flipkart, the Indian e-commerce giant. This transaction values Flipkart at $35 billion, marking a decrease from its previous valuation of $38 billion in 2021. Walmart's acquisition is seen as a strategic move, reflecting its aggressive push into the Indian online retail market. The U.S. retail giant initially acquired a 77% stake in Flipkart for $16 billion in 2018 and has been actively expanding its presence in India's e-commerce space. The purchase of Tiger Global's stake is aligned with Walmart's broader global strategy to compete with other major online retailers and strengthen its foothold in emerging markets, particularly in a rapidly growing economy like India. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, asked Coinbase to cease trading in all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin before suing the platform in June. CEO Brian Armstrong stated that complying with the request would have essentially ended the crypto industry in the U.S. The SEC accused Coinbase of operating illegally, alleging that it traded at least 13 crypto assets that should have been registered as securities. The SEC's enforcement division denied making formal requests to delist crypto assets, but the issue has become part of a broader push by SEC Chair Gary Gensler to regulate the crypto industry, which he has labeled as a Wild West. Armstrong's response was to take the matter to court. This is all we have for you today. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.